Class 7th, let us start with worksheet 5 of chapter exponents today. Right, the few things which I would like to tell you before doing the worksheet number 5, they are: if I have a number a and I raised it to the power of minus 1, so whenever we get a negative exponent, the answer always changes. We have to take the reciprocal of that number. Here also I would like to add, if I have suppose 2 raised to the power minus 1, then you can say that ma'am it is equal to 1 upon 2. But what if I say I have 2 raised to the power say minus 4? So I will do 1 upon 2 whole thing is raised to the power of 4. So 1 raised to the power of 4 upon 2 raised to the power of 4. So that is equal to 1 upon 16. So in worksheet number 5, we will be basically dealing with this identity, identity which is being used for the chapter exponents. So this is really an important concept and you must all remember. Now coming to question number 1, first part of the question, children, it is 2 raised to the power minus 1 minus 3 raised to the power minus 1 whole raised to the power minus 1 plus 6 raised to the power minus 1 minus 8 raised to the power minus 1 whole raised to the power minus 1. Now students, when such a question comes in front of us, the first thing we should do is we should always try to solve the bracket first. So we will solve whatever is written inside the bracket. So here inside the bracket, inside the first bracket, if I see I have 2 raised to the power minus 1, which can be written as 1 upon 2. Again 3 raised to the power minus 1, I have 1 upon 3. This is raised to the power of minus 1. Plus I get 1 upon 6 minus 1 upon 8. Again it is raised to the power of minus 1. Now what we have to do exactly is we have to solve. So by taking LCM, I will be solving whatever is written inside the brackets. So if I see it carefully, the LCM of 2 and 3 comes out to be 6. So this is 3 minus 2 raised to the power of minus 1. Plus here again 6 and 8, the LCM comes out to be 24. If you don't know it directly, you can always, please, I would suggest rather you should do it in the rough and you should try to see it yourself ताकि mistake नहीं हो. Am I clear? You should avoid doing mistakes. So it is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. I have taken a 24 here. And here I get 4 minus 3 raised to the power is again minus 1. So this is 1 upon 6 raised to the power minus 1 plus 1 upon 24 raised to the power minus 1. Now children, I have told you earlier also, just before beginning this question, that raised to the power minus means we have to take the reciprocal of the number. So 1 upon 6 का reciprocal बनेगा 6 और उसकी power positive हो जाएगी, it will be 1. Again 1 upon 24, the reciprocal will be 24, the power will be 1. So I get 6 plus 24, that is equal to 100. So what is the answer of 6 plus 24, the answer is 30. So what is the answer of the first part, children? I am getting the answer as 30. Easy है. What we have to remember, negative power means the reciprocal. ठीक है. Let's do the second part now. So the second part is 2 raised to the power minus 1 into 3 raised to the power minus 1. Then we have raised to the power 2 into 3 upon 8 and the raised to the power minus 3 upon 8 it is, and the raised to the power is minus 1. Let me again verify it. 2 raised to the power minus 1, 3 raised to the power minus 1 whole square into minus 3 upon 8 raised to the power minus 1. Now again children, we have a into sign. In the previous question we had minus and plus signs. Alright. So this question is a bit easy. So what I will do, 2 raised to the power minus 1, I will write it as 1 by 2. Then 3 raised to the power minus 1, I will write it as 1 by 3. Then this is the whole square. into, then minus 3 upon 8 raised to the power minus 1 is minus 8 upon 3 raised to the power minus sign will be removed. Alright, now what we have to do, बीच में क्या sign है, multiply, so of course we have to multiply. So 1 ones are 1, 2 threes are 6, the whole square is equal to into minus 8 upon 3. I hope it is clear up till this point. Alright, then students, what we have to do, we have to take the square. 1 square is 1 and 6 square is 36. So this is to be multiplied by minus 8 upon 3. Now let us cancel it with a table of 4. So I get 4 2s are 8 and 4 9s are 36. So my answer comes out to be minus 2 upon 27. So what is the answer of the second part I am getting? The answer of the second part is minus 2 upon 27. Fine. Now students, we will be doing the third part and let us see what is there in the third part. So I am rubbing it off. It is 4 raised to the power minus 1. Third part. 4 raised to the power minus 1 into 3 raised to the power minus 1 divided by 12 raised to the power minus 1. Alright. So we don't have a power here outside. So it is a very simple question. 1 upon 4 it will become into 1 upon 3. That is to be divided by 1 upon 12. Alright. Now what we have to do in the next step. So this is 1 upon 1 into 1 will give a 1. 4 3s I'll get 12. That is to be divided by 1 upon 12. Now I will take a reciprocal of this because you know whenever division changes into multiply we have to take the reciprocal. So 12 cancels with 12. So my answer comes out to be 1. So what answer I am getting? The answer I am getting is equal to 1. Alright. Now let's solve the fourth part. See, every part is different in this question. So we need to solve all the parts. Otherwise I would have given ki beta do it yourself. No, but I cannot take a chance in this. So here comes the fourth part of the question. It is 1 upon 2 raised to the power minus 2. Then there is a plus sign. I have 1 upon 3 raised to the power minus 2 and plus 1 upon 4 raised to the power minus 2. Alright. Now what am I going to do? I have to resolve the brackets, solve the brackets, and I have to remove the negative sign. So I get 2 raised to the power 2 plus 3 raised to the power 2 plus 4 raised to the power 2. Now 2 square is 4 plus 9 plus 16. Alright. So 4 plus 9 plus 16. Let us add up and let's see what answer we are getting. So 4 plus 9 is 13 and 13 plus 16, the answer comes out to be 29. Now let's do the fifth part. See, these are relatively, I would say, these are simple questions only, children, not much we have to do. We have to just look for the negative powers and then we have to take the reciprocal. So in the fifth part, I have bracket start 2 raised to the power minus 1 divided by 5 raised to the power minus 1, then the whole square, and the entire thing is multiplied by minus 5 upon 8 raised to the power of minus 1. Alright. So what is to be done? Again we have to remove the negative powers. So we will take the reciprocal 1 upon 2 divided by 1 upon 5 the whole square into, again अब इधर भी reciprocally करेंगे ना बेटा, so it will be 8 upon minus 5. इसको हम बाद में we will change it into the standard form which you have already done in chapter 1 and chapter 2. So this is 1 upon 2 into 5 upon 1. Now I will change it, I will bring the negative sign up, so I get minus 8 upon 5. Now let us solve. I get 1 upon 2 into 5 upon 1 into ठीक है, -8/5. Now we'll cancel whatever is being cancelled. So 5 cancels with a 5, 2 ones are and 2 fours are. So my answer here comes out to be -4. So the answer for the fifth part we are getting is -4. And now we will be starting with the sixth part of the. Just wait children, here it was the whole square, right? So I have to do this again. I have 1/4 into 25. Why? Because children, 1 square is 1, right? And 2 square is 4. Then again into minus, इसमें कोई change नहीं है. This will be as it is. So I'll cancel it. I'll get a 5 over here, and if I cancel it, I'll get a -2 over here. So my answer now comes out to be -10, and now this is the correct answer. After that, let's do question number 6. So what was the mistake I made in the previous question? The mistake was that I forgot to take the whole square sign, and now I'll be doing the sixth question. So sixth question is very simple question. So it is 3/7 raised to the power of -2 divided by 4/7 raised to the power of -2. So here now children, what we have to do? We have to write it as, I'll take the reciprocal 7/3 raised to the power 2 divided by 7/4 raised to the power 2. So this is equal to, if I say this is 49 square, I am taking 49/9 divided by 49/16. So what do I get? 49/9 into 16/49. So 49 cancels with 49, and what answer I am getting? The answer I am getting is 16/9. Alright. Now doing the question number 7, the seventh part. So for the seventh part students, I have 2/5 raised to the power of -1. Then there is into 3/4 raised to the power -1. Then another square bracket is there, and what else do I have? The entire thing is again raised to the power of -1. So this is the seventh part. So now I have 2/5 raised to the power -1 students. So I'll take a reciprocal to remove the negative power. I get 5/2. Again 3/4 becomes 4/3. So the entire thing is raised to the power of -1. So this is, यहाँ से हमने cancel किया. What do I get? I get 2/2 on cancelling. So again here 5 2s are 10/3 raised to the power of -1. So the answer here comes out to be 10/3. So the answer, 3/10. 10/3 -1 will be written as 3/10. So now students, let's move on to the next part of the question, that is the eighth part, and let's see how to solve that. So in the eighth part of the question, I have 4 raised to the power of 5 divided by 4 raised to the power of 8, right? Then into 64. Into what do we have? We have into 64. Now what would I do? I would simply, since you know the bases are same and there is a minus sign, a division sign in between, so the powers will be subtracted. So I would subtract the powers. I am writing 4 raised to the power 5 minus 8. अब छोटा नंबर पहले है तो आप छोटा ही रखेंगे, राइट? सो ऐसे नहीं करना, 8 minus 5 करोगे तो इट विल बी रॉन्ग. So I get 4 raised to the power -3 into 64. Alright. So this I'll write as 1/4 cube. Positive करा ना पावर को, into 64. So what do I get here? I get 1/4 into 4 into and this is multiplied by 64. Now I have to start cancelling it. So 4 ones are 4 and here I get 16, then again 4 ones are 4, here I get 4, 4 ones are 4 and here also I get 1. So what answer I get? The answer comes out to be 1. ठीक, 9th part and after that we'll do the 10th part. So first of all doing the 9th part now. So students, the 9th part is 4 upon 5 raised to the power minus 3, right, into 4 upon 5 raised to the power 2 into 4 upon 5 raised to the power 3. अब बेटा मेरे से पूछो तो I will never open the brackets in this question. Why? Because I can see that all the bases are same and there is a multiply sign in between, so I will add up the powers. So 4 upon 5 raised to the power minus 3 plus 2 plus 3. So I get 4 upon 5 raised to the power, right? So this 3 and this 3 can be cancelled because 3 minus 3 will be giving a 0. So I get raised to the power of 2. My answer is 16 upon 25 because 4 4s are 16 and 5 5s are 25. The square of 4, the square of the number 4 is 16 and the square of number 5 is 25. So my answer comes out to be 16 upon 25. Now let us do 10th part, which is the last part of this question. It was indeed a big question having 10 parts and all were relatively different from each other. So I get minus 1 upon 2 raised to the power of minus 3 divided by minus 1 upon 2, that is raised to the power of minus 4. Then here is a negative sign. I get minus 1 upon 2 raised to the power of minus 5 upon minus 1 upon 2 raised to the power of minus 6. Alright. Now again students, divided. So how I am going to write it, please see. I am writing it as, for your convenience, minus 1 upon 2 raised to the power minus 3 divided by minus 1 upon 2 raised to the power minus 4. ठीक है. Then minus 1 upon 2 raised to the power minus 5 divided by minus 1 upon 2 raised to the power minus 6. Fine. Now here bases are same and there is a divide sign in between, so powers will be subtracted. बहुत ध्यान से देखना. What am I going to do? So minus 1 upon 2 raised to the power minus 3 we have to subtract the powers, but already there is a negative sign, so I am using a bracket. So here again minus sign, then minus 1 upon 2 raised to the power minus 5 minus 6. Alright, can you understand the use of bracket? Because already there were negative sign, so we cannot write two negative signs together. So what I have, minus 1 upon 2 raised to the power minus 3, minus will make a plus, that is plus 4, minus 1 upon 2 raised to the power minus 5 plus 6. So that is minus 1 upon 2 raised to the power 1 minus 1 upon 2 raised to the power 1. Now I have to open the brackets in the next step. So what do I get? That is equal to minus 1 upon 2 raised to the power minus 1. Now minus, यहाँ पे भी minus है बेटा. So minus will make a plus. So I get minus 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2. And this thing will cancel always and the answer we will get is 0. Is it alright? Now we will be doing the question number 2. Now try to understand question number 2. By what number should we multiply 2 raised to the power minus 5 so that the product may be equal to 2 raised to the power minus 1? By what number should we multiply? ठीक है, प्रोडक्ट क्या दे रखा है पहले तो वो लिख लेते हैं. Question number 2 we are solving. So the product is equal to 2 raised to the power minus 1. So I will say let number is equal to x. By what number should we multiply? तो भाई हम x से multiply करेंगे. So according to question, x multiplied by किसको multiply करेंगे? 2 raised to the power minus 5. It was given there. 2 raised to the power minus 5 is equal to 2 raised to the power minus 1. Now students, now when you will transpose, this multiply will go on that side and will become plus. So it will become divide. So I write x is equal to 2 raised to the power minus 1 divided by 2 raised to the power minus 5. इसके अलावा अभी कोई भी change हम नहीं कर रहे. We will move to the next step straight away. So now students, in the next step what am I going to write? X is equal to 2 raised to the power minus 1. अब divide है, base same है, powers को क्या करेंगे? Minus. So minus I am using a bracket because again there was a negative sign. So x comes out to be 2 raised to the power minus 1 plus 5. So that is 2 raised to the power 4. Answer comes out to be 16. Or either you can leave it at 2 raised to the power 4 also. Both ways it will be correct. Your marks will not be deducted because we are doing the chapter of exponents. तो इसमें मार्क्स डिडक्ट करने वाली कोई भी बात नहीं है. ठीक है, तो आप 2 raised to the power 4 तक भी छोड़ सकते हैं और आप 16 करके पूरा आंसर भी निकाल सकते हैं. देयर इज नो इश्यूज एट ऑल. आफ्टर दैट आई कम टू योर क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 चिल्ड्रन. योर क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 विल बी योर होमवर्क ओनली. ठीक है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 विल बी होमवर्क. आई सॉल्व क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 नाउ. सो आई एम राइटिंग हियर क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 इज योर होमवर्क. I straight away come to question number 4. Question number 4. The question number 4 says that by what number should 24 raised to the power minus 1 be divided so that the quotient may be equal to 4 raised to the power minus 1. So quotient is given to be 4 raised to the power minus 1. What is the quotient? The quotient is 4 raised to the power minus 1. So by what number should 24 raised to the power minus 1 be divided? So I'll suppose let number is equal to x. अब बेटा इसमें कंफ्यूज नहीं होना. यहाँ मैंने x पहले लिया था, अब मैं क्या लिख रही हूँ? 24 according to question 24 raised to the power minus 1 divided by x is equal to 4 raised to the power minus 1. Why I have written this? Try to understand the logic. By what number 24 raised to the power x minus 1 should be divided? मतलब 24 raised to the power minus 1 को किससे डिवाइड करें? तो हमने कहा हम x से डिवाइड करेंगे. Got the logic? Now let us see what we can do in this question. Directly उधर नहीं लेके जाना. Remember, division sign is there. You have to change it into multiply. So मैं brackets भी साथ साथ positive कर रही हूँ इनके exponents को. So here I will do into 1 upon x is equal to 1 upon 4. Now 1 upon x will remain on this side and I will get 1 upon 4 into 24 upon 1. So this will cancel out and 1 upon x will come out to be 6. But we don't need the value of 1 upon x. We need the value of x. So I'll say x comes out to be 1 upon 6. Alright. So this is the required answer. And again, your question number 4. Question number 5 will be your homework. Fine. So students, you should proceed and start doing your homework. And God bless you.